Hello everyone, welcome to Amy channel. In these videos, I hope to teach you some basic English. So these videos are for all level beginners, intermediate, advanced, IELTS, and as well as TOEFL. When you watch these videos, I want you all to pay attention. Watch all the videos in the series. Please listen carefully. And if there are any words or expressions that you don't know, please check your dictionary. Another thing, you should repeat after me. Repeating is really good practice for you students. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Talking about time. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. What's the time, please? It is 7 a.m. Could you tell me the time, please? It is 11 p.m. What time can we meet? Around 6 o'clock. What time does the soccer match take place? The soccer match starts at 7:30 p.m. What time do you come pick me up? I will pick you up at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Do you have time to talk about it? I have a lot of time. Let's go to the movies. It's too late to go to the movies. Did you have enough time for the test? I didn't have enough time to complete the test. Why are you in a hurry? Time to go home. Did she have enough time? She ran out of time. When did it happen? It happened long time ago. Why did you miss the bus? We killed the time by playing cards. When will be breakfast time? It will soon be breakfast time. Where is Bob? Bob called to say that he would be late. Thank you phrases. Thank you. You're welcome. Thanks. Thanks so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Don't mention it. Thank you for your kind words. My pleasure. Thanks for dinner. Thanks a lot for all your help. Thanks very much for looking after the kids. I'm glad that I can help you. Many thanks for the lovely present. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's really useful for you guys.